tech tip to keep the handlebar from dangling.
All on the cables.
Pry bar, brother. Okay, Crown Race installer, the professional way. There. Like professional. So that is the height. Yep.
And they've been saving people money for over 75 years. Other things make no sense. Like
Okay. So we screw this in to there. And and you got a perfectly installed star nut.
Simple.
And this is the conversion kit for, we're going 100 to 110 boost, right?
Yeah.
And then E13, as usual, they didn't provide instructions. Typical E13 installation. Just pops in. Old one came out. Now we just gotta shim the rotor. Okay, so we tried 5, but instead we need, how much is that? 1? There's actually,
It's like 4, huh?
oh yeah, it's 4. Because it was a little bit offset, so we're gonna try 4. Try that.
So the biggest thing on these ones is the dampener. So it's more flush throughout the travel. It's supposed to be more responsive to everything, to all the smaller bumps and everything.
Plenty clearance. Crown to frame.